Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
So there are a lot of DIYs online that tell you how to make some makeup products at home using natural ingredients, and we have tried a few as well. And there's this one DIY that I came across, which was a brow gel. And I thought, why not give it a shot? Maybe it can actually be a natural substitute for my other brow product. So the product doesn't move at all, so it will definitely stay on for the whole day, but it is only one shade, so it won't work for everyone. Overall, I would say it isn't a perfect product, but if you're somebody with sensitive skin, definitely try it out and let me know in the comment section below how it goes. And don't forget to check out our POPxo shop. We have a lot of amazing stuff like wall clocks, laptop seats, phone covers, and so much more. The link is in the description below, and for more such makeup and skincare tips and tricks, keep watching POPxo Beauty.